All right, the primary case is open. The spark plugs are out, so there's no compression. I put the battery on an overnight charger, and it's now just sitting here hooked up. It's not in place, it's just sitting there. The ignition is turned on. I'm going to reach over and press the starter switch, and we'll see what happens, which is basically everything that's supposed to happen is happening. So far, I see no problems. I'm just going to go ahead and leave the bike like it is for a while, clean up a couple things that I see, but I'll go ahead and order a new starter motor. The fact that this one spins it like a so-and-so is strictly because it doesn't have the spark plugs in. Matter of fact, I might try a second test. I'll put the spark plugs in and make sure it still spins it. I'll do that next.